Guys, I've done it again. My fuel pump went out, and my son and my cousin's neighbor have came out here to help me out, and they're replacing the fuel pump in the motorhome. I'll show you. Okay, see under here, they dropped the tank, and they're replacing the fuel pump. Right here on my lovely 454 Happy Chevy motor. Does it not very happy when it can't get no gas.
That's the side it's supposed to be on that side, isn't it?
And for some reason, they think I'm absolutely nuts.
No, because look.
Because
it's got two slices right there.
This is the road I came down. That one right there. And that's pretty hairy. I made it down. They don't think I'm going to make it up. I think I can make it up. Because that's just how good I am. So, here we are again. In a situation. Not the best. But I'll get out. They'll fix me up. And then I gotta make it up. I'll show ya. I'll show ya. Jeremy gets mad at me when I think I'm four-wheel drive. And I'm not. I just have a happy 454 Chevy motor. So, this is the road that I gotta make it up. Now I'm looking, I think I'm gonna stay to the left. Actually, I was thinking that I'd go through that way, but that's gonna be too tough. Yeah, I'm gonna stay to the right. I'm gonna come up here like this. Let's see, come up here like this, and then go over through this little divot. And that's pretty wide for me to straddle. I'm gonna have to, I wonder, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go this way. I can go quite a ways over and make it up there. I came down, I straddled this stuff down, coming down. Jeremy's mad at me. He said I was stupid to come down here. But I must say, for, it's really steep too. For having my fuel pump go out, it actually went out at a really good spot, because where I'm at, the rear end of the motorhome is lifted up where the tank is. Really pretty much good enough where they could crawl under there. So it made it nice for them and nice for me. So yeah, another day, another breakdown. You know, I put a lot of miles on her, and things happen. I've had to replace the motor water pump. I've had to replace the starter, and now we're doing the fuel pump. So, not too bad for putting 65,000 miles on her. I haven't put that many on her. There was 28 on her when I got her. So, I've put 40-something thousand. But see how high the back end is? And here we go. And there's the tank right there. They got it on a jack. But look at all the space they've been able to get under there and work. And that is the new pump going in. Getting it all situated there. And then that sits down inside the fuel tank. And then they got to hook up all the hoses to it and lift it back up and put the bolts back in. Put the filter back on, because we took that off when we were checking to see if the fuel filter was bad before we found out the pump was bad. And that's located about 2 feet up from the passenger side rear tire in the frame. So about 2 feet up is where the fuel filter is. And on this 1994 Winnebago Warrior, well, on a P30 chassis, and it's a 1993 Chevy 454. So, yeah, we're going to get her done. I should say they're going to get her done. I'm sitting here supervising. I got the good job. Oh, I found a couple bullets out here. See? Found those. Sitting out here. And we're by Lake Pleasant. So wish me luck. I'm hoping to get someone to film me coming up out of here. I think Jeremy's going to.
I don't know how she's made it up that, but she did. Totally missed it. She's gonna be pissed. You're gonna be pissed. I missed about half of it. You almost flipped over, dude.
What?
Your fucking tires came completely off the ground.
Did they?
Yeah.